What's good, YouTube? My name is BoosterBijuu and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be going through the Galarian bird tins. I happen to get one of each. Oh, there we go. Zapdos, Moltres, and Articuno. If I can hold this here, that'll be the shot. I'll use that for the thumbnail. And I'm pretty sure that these have Crown Zenith tins inside, or Crown Zenith packs inside. So that means we're going to be continuing our chase for the Hisuian Goodra inside of Crown Zenith. Let's see what we can come up with. We can barely fit all three of these things in the shot right there, but there they are. I'm gonna open all of these tins up, get the promos out and the packs, and then we're just gonna dive right into it. All right, we're ready. Here are our three beautiful promo cards. I really like these. I don't want to jinx anything, but I feel like the centering on all these are dang near perfect. And they're really good looking cards. I really enjoy all of them. Beautiful promos. Definitely recommend these. Okay. Promos up in the top like we do. Move that light up a little bit so it's just not adding so much of a glare. And let's get to it. 15 packs of Crown Zenith. Promo cards, legendary birds. Bless the polls. Here we go. My chase card for the Crown Zenith is the Hisuian Goodra. So that is what we're looking for. I almost felt like I pulled more than 4 there. We're good. Lunatone, Solrock, Rare Candy, Larvesta, Oddish, Seal, Potion. I just don't want to hit this. This stack is pretty big. My hand's smacking it there. Reverse Skrelp, and a Hollow Signature Beatty. We need more than that. Pack 2. V-Star, Graveler, Lord Bidoof, bless us Lord Bidoof, Reverse Shinx, Elisa's Spark. That's going to be a full trainer right there. Nice. Decent start. That's pack number 2. I believe I opened up the Galarian Zapdos last, so those are the packs we're going through first, are the Zapdos packs. Number 3. Energy, Dusclops, Krokorok, Baltoy, Galarian Meowth, Wailmer, Shinx. Oh, another one! Gardenia's Vigor. There's a cute little blossom she's watering there in the flowers. Nice. I think that was pack 3. There was nothing in pack 1, 2, 3. This would be 4. Goldfish Brain. No, I'm just kidding. Lost Vacuum, Great Ball, Solrock, Pawniard, Kricketot, Chatot, Galarian Mime. Oh! I pulled too many at once. We got something. Dunsparce. Nice. Dunsparce hiding in the laundry. Dunsparce hiding on the shelves. Dunsparce hiding in your closet. Dunsparce. What else? That's 3 hits in a row. Crown Zenith looking pretty decent right now. Pack 5. Keep it up, Crown Zenith. Come on. We want Goodra. Pokemon Catcher, Salazzle, Wooloo, Shinx, Bancham, Snorunt, Pawniard, Reverse Energy Switch. Okay, we got a miss there. That's 5 packs down. I think that's gonna be the Zapdos tin. So I think now we're moving into the Moltres tin, because I believe I opened up Articuno first. That was 5. Okay. Energy for the good vibes. Good energy only. Moonruff. Bless the pulls, Moonruff. Reverse Luxray. Alyssa Spark. Alisa Spark. That's 2. 2 of those. That's pack 6. Double pull already. We don't want doubles. Doubles are okay. It means that we're getting hits, but we don't want that. We want Goodras. We want Goodras. Energy, lightning energy. Shock me with what's inside the pack. Show me what we want to see. Oh! Oh, wow! Oh, I think this is one of the rarest ones. It's up there at least. If I'm not mistaken, this is the Mewtwo V-Star. This is the opposite of what comes inside of the Charizard UPC. Oh my goodness. That might be one of the best pulls I've done. My hands are literally shaking. Oh man, and that is just an insane artwork right here. The opposite of this is the promo card. Look, my hands are shaking. The opposite of this is the promo card that comes with the Charizard UPC, which is Charizard's view of this exact battle. Wow. I love this card so much. I don't want to touch it a lot. This is actually going to be the first card that I double fit in penny sleeves. I'm going to top load it. From that side to completely protect it from dust, and I'm going to load it from this end. So it's just 100% protected there. Mewtwo V-Star. I can't lie and say that I didn't want this card also. This was a little bit of a side chase for me, but it's just not, it's not the Goodra, it's not one of my favorites, my favorite Pokemon, but it is one of my favorite artwork of any cards. Let's go. Let's go. That was only the second pack into the Moltres tin. We got more to go. We can still pull our chase card. Make this the best pack opening I've done so far. And let's pull the Goodra also. V-Star, Rare Candy, Luxio, Electric, Potion, Mime, Bidoof, Pawniard, Yanma, Manaphy, back-to-back pulls. Let's go. Another beautiful, gorgeous art. A full art, I want to say, or an illustrated art. Oh man, that's good. Oh, and then a hollow sky seal stone behind it. Beautiful. Let's keep these pulls going. Let's keep the hits going. That Galarian Moltres tin is really doing well. Nice. I'm stoked. I just want to say that I'm just in love with opening the packs and being a part of the Pokemon community, being a part of this hobby. It's been so much fun. I know you can buy singles. I haven't bought any singles yet. I'm in it for the chase, and I enjoy chasing the cards that I'm looking for. There's that cute crocheted little Snorlax again. I want to pull the cards I want, you know? Like, sure, if they're out of circulation maybe and I start getting into the singles more, I'll look into buying singles, maybe graded cards. But it's just not on my to-do right now. Right now, we're just having fun, pulling cards, opening packs, ripping product. This is it for me. Pancham, Helioptile, Wooloo, Skrelp, Greven. Oh, ditto! Another illustrated art card. Oh, sick. Yo, that's dope. I love how he's just trying to blend in with the Numels. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Oh, ditto. You shiesty little thing, you. We're doing really good. Was that the last of our 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was the Moltres tin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 10 packs that we've opened have been really well yielding to me. We got 5 more to go. This would be the Articuno tin, which has possibly my favorite promo art of the 3 tins. I really like how it's just chasing the, or I'm sorry, how the colors are of him just like flying through the forest, not the Zapdos, the Articuno, but I do like the Zapdos, how he's chasing that Dodrio. All right, Hisuian Goodra, show me where you're hiding. Energy, Electric, Ultra Ball, Girafarig, Snorunt, Rockruff, Tangela, Baltoy, Meowth, Reverse, Crushing Hammer, Gumshoes. We got 4 packs to go. That would make this pack 11. Or 12, I'm sorry. This would be 12. I'm really happy with the hits we've gotten so far. It's been very rewarding, this video. Galarian birds, got the pulls. I might have to get some more of these tins. My promos, or not promos, my shiny Zacian and Zamazenta boxes did not have pull rates like this. This is awesome. Reverse Aggron. 3 packs left. Final pack Lux. Final packs luck. Can we end the chase early? I'm still really stoked. Shock me with a good pull. Luxio, Lost Vacuum, Skrelp, Helioptile, Wooloo, Shinx, Pancham, Riolu. That's good, that's dope, that's a nice art. We have this one already, but I could use this to finish that little 9-page binder if I trade for one I don't have. And we got Eevee, one of my favorites. We don't have that. That's a nice looking card. I like the rainbow behind him. cute little EV. EVV. That's a little bit of a tongue jumble. Make sure that Eevee's in this shot there still. And we did get Riolu. There are a lot of these art cards that I still want so that we can finish that the whole picture that they make. I really like, I wish that Pokemon would do more of those where the cards all go together and form one picture. I feel like that would really give a lot of collectors something to shoot for as well, trying to finish those binder pages of illustrations that all come together. What other sets have that? If you guys know, drop a comment below and let me know. Woo! What other sets have those combined pictures? Pawniard, Reverse Salandit. Oh, nice! I've never pulled one of these before. This is a gold energy, a gold fire energy, I want to say. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can see it, but in the background there's like tons of little fire logos also, and the whole thing is hollow. That's my first one of these. This whole video has been very lucrative. All right, this is our last Crown Zenith pack for this video. If we don't get it here, the chase will have to continue until we pull the Hisuian alt art Goodra. Illustrated art. I have to really get better with these terms. Last pack luck. I usually hate pulling these V-Star cards and I have no idea why, but I'm gonna believe it this time. Show me that there's a V-Star behind you. Gloom, Great Ball, Lord Bidoof, bless the pulls. Coughing, Salandit, Purloin, Grubbin, here we go, here we go. Oh! Zamazenta V! Last pack luck. Wow, look at the colors on this thing. Almost looks like he's in like Giratina's realm. Oh man. Last pack luck, Crown Zenith. Double. Wow, nice. Little right side heavy from the front, left side heavy from the back on the centering. Not perfect, but insane. That's a gorgeous card right there too. Yo, there's so many hits that we got in this video. 15 packs of Crown Zenith. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 hits out of 15 packs. That's some really good odds. And we got two really nice, beautiful looking cards. I actually also really like the Manaphy and the Ditto down there, right there. I want to be able to show everything, but man, I don't think we just can't. And the Dunsparce not bad either. We already had the Riolu. I've never pulled a gold energy before. Insane. That was awesome. I'm hyped right now. I just feel really good after pulling all those cards. We got some really good cards, some beautiful promos here at the top. That was sick. We're gonna have to continue the chase for the Hisuian Goodra. I think Crown Zenith is a really fun set, and I've been having a ton of fun going through it. If you guys want to see me do more Crown Zenith, or you want to see me hunt something else in a different set, go ahead and drop a comment below. Comment what you think the best hit out of this video was, because there are also just so many. Like the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to support the channel and see me do more content, guys. BoosterBijuu out, and I really appreciate you all. See you next time. Peace.